Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can add dashboards to your portfolio. Here we have a portfolio of projects, which currently contains 2 projects. To add a dashboard, navigate to the Dashboard section. As you can see, there is currently no dashboard. To create one, click on Add Widget at the top. From here, select your chart type. Let's choose the bar chart. Now, we have our first dashboard. You can hover over specific bars to view more details. For a more detailed view, click on the Full Screen button. From this view, you can change the chart type to a line chart, column chart, or pie chart. Let's revert back to the bar chart. This dashboard shows a status task breakdown. To change this matrix, click on the X-axis option and click on the current matrix status. You can choose a different metric to display, for instance, priority. Once you select a different metric, the graph will be updated automatically. The Y-axis metric can also be changed. Currently, it displays task count, but you can change this to estimated time, actual time, or duration. For more options, click on the 3 dots. From this menu, you can exit full screen, rename the dashboard, duplicate it, export it as an SVG, PNG, or JPG, or delete it. Let's exit the full screen. You can also create custom dashboards using AI. Click on Generate Dashboard at the top, enter your prompt, and hit Send. The AI will analyze all the projects within your portfolio and prompt you to select a chart type. Let's choose the column chart. You can hover over specific columns for more details and click on Add to Dashboard to save it. You can drag and drop the dashboards to rearrange its position and resize it as needed. To export the entire dashboard view, click on Export to PDF. This will export all the dashboards in a PDF format. And that's how you can add dashboards to your portfolio. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.